to clear energy quickly. So our bodies are made up of all these lovely muscle fibers, tissues. There's lots of memory in the fascia, in the cells, our DNA. The quickest way to get things moving is through movement. If you want to clear energy, blockages, you have to physically move your body. This is a good thing to do. So when you start to move the body, you're moving the muscle, you're getting things flowing. It's like when you go for a massage, someone just doing this on you, they, without realizing probably, are actually shifting energy. And not, what is that? It's a ball of muscle fibers that are bunched up together. It's an adhesion, it's in the fascia. When we move it, we're creating a new area for energy to flow into, okay? We're moving the energy. So we're releasing stagnation. It's the same thing. If you're feeling fed up, you're feeling low, you're feeling a bit down, get up and move. And it might be against what you want to do at that time. You might not feel like doing that, but I can guarantee you, you will feel better. Once you start to move the limbs and get the energy moving, it alerts your nervous system again. When you go into a new place, when you go into a new location, if you say go for a walk every day and you change the route, if you go and visit a new village, town, you go by the water, bodies of water really hold very powerful energies. You are exposing your body, your energy body, to a new energy, new vibration of people in that area. Remember, we are all vibration, sound, light, okay? So I'm made up of a vibration. You'll be feeling my vibration now. It's high, okay? So this can often have an effect on others of raising their vibration, because when you're around people that are naturally happy, you know, I have to work to be like this. I'm not always happy. I have my moments, and that's okay. You'll feel better. They raise your spirits. So the key is to finding out how to do that for yourself. So changing your location, walks, movement gets the energy flowing. Another really, really good tip is to cleanse the body. So that can be through water, as we touched before. The very best way to cleanse your energy is to go in the sea. Now that might not be something that's accessible for everyone, but if it is, go and do it. The salt water is the most cleansing, purifying thing. That's why you feel amazing when you've been for a swim in the sea, even if it's cold. The salt actually breaks down density, so it's really powerful. You can do it at home. You could have a bath and you could put magnesium salt in your bath. Magnesium salts are very, very good for your muscles. The same with Epsom salts. They're very similar. So if you're suffering from aches and pains and things like that, definitely magnesium in your salt bath. And then you can drink lots of good quality water. So I mean water that's been filtered, not from the tap. We don't drink that. It's full of chemicals, forever chemicals, toxic stuff. Drink high quality water. This is flushing through your system. A lot of the time people are ill, they feel tired and they have diseases because they're not drinking enough water. They are dehydrated. If you get lots of headaches and problems with your eyes, you guarantee you need more water. So we've moved, we've cleansed the body out externally, we've cleansed it internally. Sound is really powerful. Listen to something that you like that lifts your mood. Now, it could be your favorite song, but sound vibrations such as the frequency and tone of certain singing bowls, chime bowls, Tibetan healing bowls, the tingshi chimes that you ding, bells, like when you would hear the church bells. These all contain these really lovely high frequency codes that make you feel very soothed. Now you can also find them by researching them online. You could Google solfeggio frequencies, hertz frequencies, and there'll be a list of all different frequencies that make you feel nice. So this was a quick video giving you some quick tips on how to cleanse your energy field and feel great. If you've got any more suggestions, put them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, and I'm sending you all lots of love.